Hey y'all, happy Wednesday, happy hump day. We at the top of the bell curve and we getting ready to slide down to the weekend. So I just want to come on and show y'all I do my oven smothered chicken. So you just do it like you're baking it, but you put your onion, bell pepper, and garlic in there. And then you just cook it down, and then I tried to get some of the grease out. And then I had some McCormick chicken gravy. I added about 2 teaspoons of the Tony saturated roux. And then I used 2 teaspoons of, what you call it? Come on, y'all, help me out. 2 teaspoons of cornstarch to kind of thicken it like. And then I just cooked it on down. I seasoned it this morning. I had my son to take it out of the refrigerator about 12:30 or 1. And I had him to turn the oven on because I had to get some medicine from the Walgreens. It took me a while to do that, so that's why I'm late cooking. Y'all, it's, what time is it? Almost 8 o'clock. It's really too late to be eating, but, so I'm going to get off here and go ahead and feed my family. Y'all have a blessed night. Welcome all my new subscribers. Thank you all for stopping by, watching and commenting. I really do appreciate it. Stay tuned, y'all, because I'm getting ready to here another week or so. I say starting in July. I want to start something. I want to start doing something different. Not nothing really major, but it's just something that came to me. But anyway, y'all be safe, be blessed. They were actually talking about, I'm in Louisiana, they were talking about going back to, we're staying at the stage 2 of the open businesses for another 28 days. And then they said if the numbers continue to rise, we may actually go back to phase 1 or to the stay home order again. So y'all, you know, a lot of people not taking it seriously, especially the younger generation. But I just saw on the news a little 17-year-old. I think she may have been getting ready to graduate, but she passed with it. Complication from the coronavirus. So it is serious. It is real. Some people say it's a hoax. I don't know how a person could say that when I have people that I know who have suffered from it, classmates. One was in ICU. I haven't heard lately how she's doing. We had another one in the hospital. I had some co-workers, ex-co-workers who lost a husband, real good friend. Very nice man. And it's a lot, y'all. It's a lot. And then they said that a lot of people that died home, that may not have been tested for it. This was back when it first started. So we really just don't know. And then, like, I was exposed to it, right? So I was exposed to it, and they told me that first they said if you think you've been exposed to it, remember they used to say quarantine for 14 days, right? That's what they said. Okay, so when I was exposed, the guy called me on that Friday. I went and got tested that Saturday. I got my results back on Memorial Day. I didn't have it. So they told me that once you were tested and you didn't have it, you're going back to work. But I thought that you could be asymptomatic and still have it and test positive later. I don't know. But I did go ahead on back to work. I didn't have any symptoms or whatever. But a few weeks earlier, I did lose my taste of smell. I had sinus infection. I was actually off 2 days. But, you know, I went, like I said, I went back to work. We worked to do the whole, while the other places were shut down, my office was open. But anyway, I just want to remind people that it is real. Be safe. Wear your mask. Like a lot of places you go now, people are not wearing masks. Like that. What is that? I don't wear it if I'm just in my car. I see people with it in the car. I don't wear it if I'm walking into the store. But when I get in there, I keep it on. And as soon as I get to hit the door, I take it off. All right, y'all. Y'all be blessed. I just want to show y'all my chicken. It's really, really good. Got some broccoli, cauliflower, carrots. I love that with a little cheese on it. And some rice, and that's it. All right. Y'all be blessed. Have a good night. Stay safe. Much love.